So if you follow my channel, you'll know that in terms of navigation, I'm a big fan of Beeline, and I needed to mount it on the bike, and the regular clamp won't fit here because of the top yoke clamp. And if I put it to one side, A, it's a bit low down to read, and B, if there's a bit of an angle, then it doesn't, you know, it's a bit harder on the eyes. It really likes to be in direct sunlight. So what I've done is, on the screen adjuster here, is I've mounted a GoPro mount, and I've simply put the Beeline on top of that. And it doesn't get in the way of lifting up the screen or putting it down. As you can see, you can easily put it down, and easily lift it up with one finger, and it just sits there nicely, and it's at a great height to read. So you can easily see what's ahead of you on the road, and it quickly mounts and dismounts just with a half twist. You can charge it with the USB. Battery life is about 30 hours, so it's pretty neat little gadget, and sits nicely in my new dashboard.
Hey you, if you want to become one of the Ride On people, don't forget to subscribe. Ride often, ride carefully, ride on.